Hi, I am Ahuna, and today I shall be showing you another Tetris game which I have made using Python. So if you have seen my previous Tetris game, then you must be wondering that why I have made another Tetris game. So I have made another game because it is more advanced and better than my previous Tetris game. My previous Tetris game was a basic level Tetris game, but this is more colorful, nice, and has new features. Now I will be giving you a small overview of the whole code. So I have used the random and the pygame modules in my code. This part deals with the colors. This part deals with the different rotations of pieces. This is the part where which starts things and deals with the initialization of x and y. This part deals with the different types of shapes which can rotate and fall randomly on the Tetris board. This is the part for initializing the rotation and how it will work in the Tetris board. This part deals with different specifications in the Tetris game like level, score, state, height, width, etc. This part deals with the initialization of the width and height of the board as well as other things like score. This part describes a new shape of figure, and this part deals with old pieces colliding with new ones. So what happens when they collide? This part deals with the different lines in the Tetris board. So the lines which are being used to make the rows and columns of the Tetris board. This part deals with what happens when the space key is pressed. This part deals with what happens when the pieces move down. This part deals with the stopping. So basically if the game has been stopped, what has to be done, and if it's required to stop the game. This part deals with what happens when it is moving to side. This part deals more into rotation. This initializes the game engine of Pygame. This part is for defining colors. This part deals with the size and display of the Pygame window. This part deals with the title of the game. So this is the loop until the user clicks the close button. So this will keep on happening until the user stops. So this part basically deals with the time and the Tetris board size. This part deals with the user input so that the game can be played by the user, this part. This part is basically for drawing the board loop and the loop for the Tetris board. And this part deals with the different writings in the game, different fonts, what to be written, etc. This is for initializing the time of the game, and this is for closing the game. So basically if the user closes the game, the Pygame window also closes. Now I will run the game so that you can see how it works. So of course I'm clicking the up key, which is rotating the pieces, and it is going left by the left arrow key. So of course these are all random, and this is what speeds up. If I click the down key, then the pieces speed up and they come more speedier. Now if I press the ESC key, then the game restarts. And if I fill up the rows, so one row is filled, then the third row, fourth row, the score gets up and up. And if it touches still here, then you win the game. So that's all I wanted to tell you, and thank you for watching.